All right, so in lesson 36 now, we are talking about computing odds. So we are still talking about probability, but this time instead of permutations or combinations, we are just talking about certain events. So if I call P of E, that is, we're going to say P, that's the probability that something happens. Then the odds in favor of event E can be found by reducing the following equation. Odds is equal to P divided by 1 minus P. We call 1 minus P the complement of P, which we sometimes denote as this E bar or sometimes E complement. If we are interested in the odds against a certain event, then we calculate the reciprocal, so 1 minus P divided by P. So let's go through a few examples to show us how to use this formula. A statistician predicts that the probability of Italy winning their next match is 2 ninths. What are the odds against them winning? So this probability of Italy winning their next match says that P is equal to 2 ninths. And I want the odds against them winning. So I need to use 1 over P divided by P. So our probability here, P of E, is equal to 1 minus 2 ninths divided by 2 ninths. That's 1 minus our probability divided by the probability. Okay, well, to subtract 1 minus 2 ninths, I need a common denominator here. So I can rewrite 1 as 9 over 9. So I have 9 over 9 minus 2 over 9 divided by 2 over 9. So 9 over 9 minus 2 over 9 is 7 over 9 divided by 2 over 9. And if I multiply through by 9 on the top and the bottom, I can do that since 9 over 9 is equivalent to 1. I get 7 over 2. So the odds against them winning are 7 to 2. That's what we would say. Odds against them winning are 7 to 2. So that's kind of a good example because I think a lot of us watch sports and we hear these people on TV talking about odds. So that's what this means. All right, next, a food stand is offering 30 drinks. There are 8 teas, 7 sodas, 9 waters, and 6 sports drinks. What are the odds of randomly selecting a tea? So I have 30 drinks and there are 8 teas. So the probability of selecting a tea is 8 out of 30, or 4 out of 15. So this is the probability of randomly selecting a tea, but I want the odds of randomly selecting a tea. So because I want the odds in favor, I need to use P of T is equal to P divided by 1 over P. So this is the probability, 4 over 15, divided by 1 minus the probability. So if I were to turn the bottom into a common denominator, this would be 15 divided by 15 minus 4 over 15, which is 4 over 15 divided by 15 minus 4 is 11. So I'd get 11 over 15. Multiplying through by 15 divided by 15 gives me 4 over 11. So the odds of me picking a tea is 4 to 11. All right, last example. Suppose the probability the Dallas Cowboys win the Super Bowl next year is 3 out of 20. Determine the odds in favor of the Dallas Cowboys winning the Super Bowl next year. So we have that the probability is 3 over 20, and I want the odds in favor of the Cowboys winning. So the odds here are equal to P divided by 1 over P. So that is 3 over 20 divided by 1 minus 3 over 20. So if I convert the bottom to a common denominator, this is 20 over 20 minus 3 over 20. So I get 3 over 20 divided by 17 over 20. And multiplying through by 20 over 20 gives me 3 over 17. So the odds in favor of the Cowboys winning the Super Bowl next year is 3 over 17. Yeah, okay, so this is odds. It's a little bit different than probability, but it still is related to probability, obviously. So these are just a few examples. Have a good day.